Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Savia for Explain America, and a court of appeals just iced Donald Trump's case, and he is celebrating. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those little things really help us out, and they help our channel continue to grow. So, Trump has had his share of difficulties in the courts. You know that. Found guilty in New York. Letitia James case found liable. E. Jean Carroll found liable. These cases in New York pile up, and New York being as liberal as it is, Trump didn't really have much of a shot in those cases, in my opinion. But one case where he's actually excelled and actually brought up some things that can help him, and it's not a liberal state, is Georgia. Fani Willis. See, Fulton County, that's liberal. But the whole state of Georgia, that's pretty purple right now. And I think it's going to lean red. I think it's going to go red this election. But be that as it may, all we really want is fair justice. And I think a purple state provides the perfect opportunity for fair justice. Well, a court of appeals just put Fani Willis's case on ice yesterday. Absolutely iced it, said this case cannot move forward until we decide if Fani Willis is going to be disqualified from this case, as she should have been long ago. Now, they have until 2025 to make this decision. There is now virtually no chance this case happens before the presidential election. This is great news for Trump. He talked to Sean Hannity about it last night, and you could see he was very thrilled. It was like a big weight was lifted off his shoulders. This lawfare stuff has to stop. It has to stop. And the time for it to stop is now. And it's nice to see the Court of Appeals doing the right thing here. I want you to watch this clip of President Trump talking about it, and then let me know what you think in the comments.
We just have breaking news, as I mentioned in my open tonight, and I want to get your reaction to the fact that the appeals court has now stopped your Georgia case, election case, while appeal on Willis's disqualification is pending. This is on the heels of Florida Judge Eileen Cannon looking into whether or not the prosecutor, Jack Smith, the special prosecutor, was pointed in an inappropriate way, which would render the case and the indictments out completely. That is going to take place in fairly short order. A lot can change in a couple of days with only 152 days out of an election.
And what we call him deranged Jack Smith, because you look at his career, he's been overturned by the Supreme Court unanimously, so many other things. He goes too far.
Let me ask you this. You had said something during the trial in New York. Mother Teresa couldn't beat these charges was one thing that you said, and you turned out to be right. And secondly, you were asked about the possibility that Judge Merchan might send you to jail. You said something that really kind of got my attention. What did you say? That it didn't faze you in the sense that if that's what it takes, you don't have to be doing this. You could be playing golf every day and you probably wouldn't be charged with anything.
Well, I think I say it about almost all of these cases that are brought against me. They are doing it for the purposes of hurting a political opponent.